These are the most important air compressor interview questions you must know before any technical job test. These 30 air compressor questions appear in almost every maintenance and technician interview. Learn them now.
An air compressor converts mechanical energy into pressurized air for industrial and mechanical applications.
The main types are reciprocating, rotary screw, and centrifugal compressors. CFM means cubic feet per minute, and it measures airflow delivered by a compressor.
PSI means pounds per square inch, and it represents air pressure. Single stage compresses air once, two stage compresses twice for higher pressure.
Duty cycle shows how long a compressor can run before needing rest. Overheating happens due to dirty filters, low oil, restricted airflow, or continuous load. Maintenance increases compressor life, reliability, and efficiency. An air dryer removes moisture from compressed air. A pressure switch controls start and stop based on pressure levels. Compressor oil lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps control heat during operation. A clogged air filter reduces airflow, increases temperature, and decreases compressor performance. A non-return valve prevents compressed air from flowing backward into the compressor. The unloader valve releases trapped air, allowing the compressor motor to restart smoothly. FAD means free air delivery, the actual usable air output produced by the compressor. Low pressure occurs due to air leakage, worn pistons, clogged filters, or faulty valves.
Compressors trip due to overheating, electrical overload, or blocked ventilation.
An automatic drain valve removes accumulated moisture from the tank at regular intervals. A 5 to 10 HP compressor is ideal for most workshop applications, depending on air tool usage.
Compressor surge is unstable airflow in centrifugal compressors caused by sudden pressure imbalance.
Excessive noise comes from worn bearings, loose belts, misalignment, or poor lubrication.
Pressure ratio is calculated by dividing discharge pressure by inlet pressure.
An aftercooler cools compressed air and removes moisture by condensation.
The main safety devices are pressure switches, safety valves, and temperature cutouts.
Excessive vibration damages mounts, misaligns components, and reduces compressor life.
Lubrication reduces friction, prevents wear, and keeps compressor temperature under control.
Air filters should be cleaned every 250 to 500 operating hours, depending on dust levels. An oil separator removes oil particles from compressed air before discharge. Oil carryover occurs due to faulty separators, overfilled oil, or worn piston rings. Receiver tanks should be 4 to 5 times the compressor's CFM for stable airflow.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more air compressor questions and answers.